Yeah. Yeah. It's the return of the wild style fashion and smash.
Listen up, everybody, the bottom line. I'm a black intellect, but I'm refined. Precision like the bullet, target bound. Just living like the hooker, the harness lamb. Now, when I say the harlot, you know I need the hot. Beat a gator, the one that's in the pot. Jalik, you wind up dead. Captain of the boys, I'm the number 7 pick. Licks, boy, when your backside. Licks, boy, when your backside. Listen to the finger shot, he lets it fly. Took the everybody. On my side, even in front of the ego. And I got a gringo. We got Mike's window ego. Know a little nigga who can rhyme when you ask me. Short, dark, and plus his voice is fast. One for the trouble, two for the mess.
Once upon a time, not long ago, when people wore pajamas and lived lifestyle, when laws were stern and justice stood, and people were behind they all did good. There lived a little boy who was misled by another little boy. This is what he said: me and you, we're gonna make some cash, rob homes and make the dash. They did the job, money came of age, but one couldn't stop. It's like he had a disease. He robbed another and a sister and a brother. Tried to rob a man who was a DT undercover. The cop very well, he started acting erratic. He said, "Keep still, boy, don't need to say." Punched him in his belly and he gave him a slap. But little did he know the little boy was strapped. The kid pulled out a gun